Man, isn't this great? Guys? Guys!
You say something?
Yeah, I did. Do you guys see where we are?
Yeah. Really beautiful.
Incredible.
Look at that ocean. So cool. Anyway.
Dude, not cool. You can't just throw away another man's phone like that.
Not cool?
Yeah, not cool.
I'll tell you what's not cool. We are surrounded, like 360 degrees surrounded by some of the most beautiful nature you will ever see. And you guys are sitting here on your phones like, oh hey, yeah, there's this person like 100 miles away that's not even here right now. But still, somehow, they're more important to me than the sweeping mountains and beautiful flowing lake that I'm right next to.
Hey, do you guys want to go skiing or something?
Leave me alone, Dad.
All right.
You need to disconnect every once in a while. You know, people have been saying that you need to live in the moment for centuries, but it's never been more true. What's the point of even having human contact if our minds are always going to be somewhere else? You know, it really sickens me the way that our generation's brains are developing. You know, I'm going to go have some fun. Let me know if you'd like to join me.
He's gone.
Oh, thank God. Nice work, man. Nice work.
You too. Sorry about your phone.
Whatever. Who needs a phone?
Haha, not me. Let's go ride some bikes or something.
Sounds good, man.